Let us solve this differential equation x square into y plus 1 dx plus y square into x minus 1 dy. This is a first order and first degree differential equation where the variables can be separable. So solution: the differential equation can be written as so if you divide both sides by x square into y plus 1 y plus 1 into y square into x minus 1, it will become x square divided by x minus 1 dx plus y square divided by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Again, this can be written as, so this x square can be written as x square minus 1 plus 1. So ultimately this will become minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled and ultimately it will become x square. So divided by x minus 1 dx plus this y square also can be written as y square minus 1 plus 1 divided by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. This is done to simplify the calculation. Again, this can be written as x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus, so we are separating this x square minus 1 and 1. Here y square minus 1, you can write like this within bracket. So x square minus 1 by x minus 1 plus this 1 which remains a 1 by x minus 1. So dx can be written as outside. Dx plus this one also y square minus 1 by y plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 into dy which is equal to 0. Again, this x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is nothing but x square minus 1 square. So a plus b into a minus b. With this formula you can expand it. So x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1. Let us write dx outside plus this one also y plus 1 into y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Then this x minus 1 gets cancelled and x plus 1 will remain x plus 1. So dx also you can write it with this dx plus here 1 by x minus 1 dx plus for the this term also y plus 1 get cancelled, so it will be y minus 1 will remain dy plus 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Let us create some space. So again we'll write integrating. Now it is integrable. We get so integration of x plus 1 dx plus integrating 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integration of y minus 1 dy plus integration of 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0, which implies if we integrate x, it will be x square by 2 plus if you integrate 1 into dx, this will equal to, or else I'll show you how it will become. So this implies you can write x into dx plus 1 into dx is dx plus integration 1 by x minus 1 dx plus this y in integration of y dy minus integration of dy plus integration of 1 by y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Now is it easily integrable? So x square integration of x dx is x square by 2 plus integration of dx is x plus integration of 1 by x minus 1 is log of x minus 1, because if we differentiate x minus 1 it will become 1. So it is, if we integrate this 1 by x minus 1, it will be log of x minus 1 plus y dy is y square by 2 minus this dy is y plus log of y plus 1 is equal to log of c, because every time we will get a constant of integration. Let us write as log of c, or we can write where c is the constant of integration. I am writing in short. So this is equal to, since we can arrange it, x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus x minus y plus log of x minus 1 plus log of y plus 1. If we write down on the left hand side, it will be minus log of c is equal to 0. One more line you can write. Let us make some space again. So this is x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus x minus y plus, if you combine all the logarithmic functions, it will be log x minus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 divided by c, because log c is minus, equal to 0. So which is the required solution of the differential equation? Which is the required solution? Or what we can make here, we are writing the after integration is x square by 2 plus x plus log of x minus 1 y square by 2 minus y plus log of y minus 1. Instead of writing the log c on the right hand side, we can write down on the left hand side also, like so. We'll show you, I'll show you from here. This is x square by 2 plus x plus log of x minus 1 plus y square by 2 minus y plus log of y plus 1 plus log c equal to 0. In this way also we can write. Now in this case it will become x square by 2 plus x plus y square by 2 minus y plus log of c into x minus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required solution. Either you can use this solution or the second one, both are same.